Meaning of deurmekaar.
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 Deurmekaar. Deurmekaar is an Afrikaans word that describes a state of confusion, chaos, or disarray. When someone or something is deurmekaar, they are disorganized and difficult to understand or manage. This can refer to physical objects, such as a messy room or tangled wires, or to people who are mentally or emotionally scattered. The result of being deurmekaar can range from mild frustration to complete breakdowns in communication or systems. It is important to address and resolve confusion and chaos in order to effectively manage tasks and relationships.